Welcome everyone. In this video, let us solve this question. So we have root 3x over x is equal to 6. And the goal here is to solve for the value of x. So x is equal to question mark. Okay, so here's the catch. I'm going to use 3 method, right? 3 method to solve this question. 3 method. Now for the first method, we have root 3x over x is equal to 6, right? Okay, so I'm then going to cross multiply, so over 1. This 1 multiply root 3x and x multiply 6. So x times 6 is 6x, which equals 1 times root 3x is root 3x, right? So with this, right, I'll then square both sides of the equation. So 6x all squared is equal to, in brackets, root 3x all squared, right? Now, such that if you have ab all squared, the square will open the brackets, so you have a squared b squared. We applying this same rule to this becomes 6 squared. 6 squared times x squared is then equal to square cancel square root. You have 3x remaining, 3x standing, okay? So with this, right, 6 squared is 36, then x squared is equal to 3x, right? Moving 3x to this side, we're going to have 36x squared, then minus 3x is then equal to, here becomes 0. So then divide both sides by 3. So over 3, over 3, over 3, right? 3 will divide 36. You're going to have 12x squared minus 3 will divide 3. You are left with minus x is then equal to 0 over 3 is 0. Okay. So with this, right, what you have is 12x squared minus x is equal to 0. Now, but there's a common factor right here, which is x. So x is common right here. So factorize out x from 12x squared. You have 12x minus x from x. You're going to have 1. Then is equal to 0. So with this, at this junction, x is equal to 0 or 12x minus 1 equals to 0, or 12x minus 1 is equal to 0, okay? So we've gotten the first value of x, which is x is equal to 0. Let's then solve for the value of x in this equation. So from here, 12x is equal to minus 1 crosses over, it becomes plus 1. So then divide both sides by 12 over 12, right? Such that x can stand alone. So 12 divided 12, x is equal to 1 over 12. Now we've gotten the value of the first, right, set of solutions for x. That x is equal to 0, right, and x is equal to 1 over 12. Now to the second method, okay? For the second method, right, we have root 3x over x is equal to 6, right? Good. Now if you have root ab, right, this can be written as a power of half times b power of half. Okay, so applying this rule to this, we're going to have 3 power of half, right, times x power of half over x is equal to 6, right? And with this, and this can be written as 3 power of half times x power of half, right, all over x is then equal to 6, right? Okay, now at this junction, if you have, let's say you have a power of n over a power of m, this is equal to a power of n minus m in this is rule, right? So applying this rule to this, what you're going to have is, if you apply this rule to this, we have 3 power of half, right, then times this, then become, we'll pick one of the base as x, then the power of x here is 1, right? So the 1 comes up, it becomes, you have half minus 1 is then equal to 6. Okay, so with this, what we have is 3 power of half times x power of half minus 1. Now half minus 1 is minus half. So 3 power of half times x power of minus half is then equal to 6, right? So at this junction, if you have a power of half, this equals square root of a. So applying this rule to this, what we have is this becomes root 3, then times this becomes x raised to power minus half is equal to 6, right? Then at this junction, we'll divide both sides by the root of 3. So over root of 3, then over root of 3, okay? By doing so, this cancels this remains x raised to power minus half, then this equals 6 over root of 3. At this junction, we are then going to rationalize the denominator, so multiply the up and down by root 3, so times root 3, then over root 3. Okay, so you have x raised to power minus half is equal to 6 times root 3 is 6 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 is root 9. Okay, and root 9 is 3, right? So with this, what you have is that x raised to power minus half is equal to 3 we divide 6, you have 2 root 3, right? With this, you can then square both sides of the equation. Okay, so x raised to power minus half all squared is equal to 2 root 3 all squared. With this, power 2 here, we multiply power minus half. So you're going to have x. Now, power minus half times 2 is minus 2 over 2, right? Is equal to, now, 2 squared is 4. Root 3 squared is root 9. And root 9 is 3. So times 3, okay? So with this, what you have is that x raised to power 2 we divide 2, you have minus 1 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12. At this junction, if you say power minus, it signifies 1 over, so you have x raised to power 1 is equal to 12. We are then going to cross multiply, so over 1y to solve for x. Okay, so you have 1 over x power of 1 is x, which equals 12 over 1. Then multiply x times 12 is 12x, which equals 1 times 1 is 1. To then solve for x, divide by 12. So 12 divided 12, the value of x is equal to 1 over 12. As you can see, we've gotten the value of x using the second method. Now for the third method, okay, for the third method, we have the equation to be root 3x over x is equal to 6, right? So first thing first, I'll square both sides of the equation. So we have root 3x over x all squared is equal to 6 squared, right? So such that this becomes root 3x all squared over x squared is equal to 6 squared is 36. So at this junction, square root cancel square root, you have 3x over x squared is equal to 36. So with this, we can then cross multiply, okay, such that we have 3x times 1, 3x is equal to x squared times 36 is 36x squared. With this, divide both sides by 3x over 3x. So 3x divided 3x, you have 1, which equals 3 we divide 36, you're going to have 12. Then x divide one of these squares, you have x, okay? To then solve for x, divide both sides by 12 over 12. 12 divided 12, x is equal to 1 over 12. Now, if you look closely, we got the value of x to be 1 over 12, 1 over 12 right here, 1 over 12 right here. But we also got another value of x apart from 1 over 12, okay, which was this right here, which is x equals to 0. So if you put in value of x as 0, you will not get the correct answer. So that means that the correct answer is x equals to 1 over 12. So with this, which of these methods do you prefer best? You can comment your answer in the comment section. Okay, but before you go, please don't forget to like the video, share the video to your friend. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe right now. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thank you.